Do you want to make more money? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others struggle their entire lives? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is it something else? The truth is, making more money is not about working harder. It's about thinking differently. The rich don't just make money, they create systems that generate wealth for them. They don't chase money, they attract it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. I'll reveal the millionaire mindset, the high-income skills you need, and the smartest strategies to make more money, so you can finally take control of your financial future. So, if you're ready to transform your life, keep watching. The mindset of wealth. The first step to making more money is changing the way you think about it. Most people believe that money is hard to get, that only lucky or talented people become rich. But that's not true. Wealth starts in the mind. Rich people think in terms of abundance, while the poor think in terms of scarcity. Let me explain. The poor say, "I can't afford this." The rich say, "How can I afford this?" The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. If you want to build wealth, you must develop a mindset of growth, opportunity, and financial intelligence. So, the next time you see an opportunity, don't think, "I can't do it." Instead, ask yourself, "How can I make it work?" Smart strategies to make more money. Once you have the right mindset, it's time to take action. Here are the 3 smartest strategies that wealthy people use to build their fortune. Multiple income streams. Wealthy people never rely on just one source of income. They have a main job or business, side hustles, investments. Passive income streams. If you want financial freedom, you must create multiple ways to earn. The power of investing. The rich don't just save money, they invest it. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or online businesses, they make sure their money is constantly growing. So, if you're not investing yet, start small, learn, and grow your wealth over time, leveraging other people's time and skills. Successful people don't do everything themselves. They build teams, delegate tasks, and use automation to scale their income. The more you learn to leverage time, the faster you'll grow your wealth. Mastering high-income skills. The fastest way to make more money is to learn skills that are in high demand. Here are some of the best high-income skills you can learn today. Copywriting, writing words that sell products and services. Digital marketing, helping businesses grow online. Sales and persuasion, learning how to close deals. Software development, coding and building tech solutions. AI and automation, leveraging technology to make money. These skills don't just help you earn more, they give you financial security because businesses always need experts in these areas. The more valuable you become, the more money you can make. The power of passive income. Narrator. Want to make money even while you sleep? That's the power of passive income. Rich people don't trade their time for money. Instead, they build assets that generate income automatically. Here are some of the best ways to earn passive income. Creating online courses. Teach a skill once, sell it forever. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Rental properties. Earn money from real estate. Stock dividends. Invest in companies and get paid. Selling digital products, ebooks, templates, and software. The goal is to set up systems that keep making money without your constant effort. Take action. Now. Narrator. Now you know the secrets to making more money. Develop a wealthy mindset. Apply smart financial strategies. Master high-income skills. Build passive income streams. But here's the truth. Information alone won't make you rich. You have to take action. So, what will you do today to start making more money? Drop a comment below and let me know your first step. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing tip. Your financial freedom starts now. Take control and start building your wealth today. You now understand the mindset of wealth and the strategies that rich people use. But knowledge alone won't make you rich. You need action. Here's a simple 4-step action plan to start making more money today. Step 1. Set a clear financial goal. Wealthy people don't just hope to make money. They have a clear financial target. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to make per month? What lifestyle do I want to afford? By what date do I want to reach my goal? Write this down and make it specific. Step 2. Choose a high-income skill and master it. You don't get rich by working harder. You get rich by working smarter. Pick one high-income skill that aligns with your strengths and interests. Some of the best skills to learn are sales and persuasion. Every business needs sales to survive. Copywriting, the ability to sell with words. Digital marketing, helping businesses grow online. Investing, making your money work for you. Dedicate time every day to learning and improving your skill. Step 3. Monetize and build income streams. Once you've learned a skill, it's time to get paid. Offer your skill as a freelancer or consultant. Start a side business or sell digital products. Invest in stocks, real estate, or online businesses. Step 4. Scale and automate. Once you start making money, don't stop. Scale it up. Hire people or use AI to do repetitive tasks. Automate income sources so you can earn while you sleep. Reinvest profits into new opportunities. The key to financial freedom is to create systems that make money for you even when you're not. How the rich stay. Rich success isn't just about what you do. It's about what you do every single day. Here are 5 daily habits of the rich that you should adopt. 1. Reading and continuous learning. Most millionaires read at least 30 minutes per day. They study books about business, investing, psychology, and personal growth. Some of the best books to start with are Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Fastlane, M.J. DeMarco. Atomic Habits, James Clear. 2. Setting daily goals. Wealthy people don't wake up and go with the flow. Every morning they write down specific goals for the day. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I must achieve today to move closer to my goals? How can I make progress, even if it's just 1% better than yesterday? 3. Prioritizing income-generating activities. The poor waste time on distractions. The rich focus on high-value tasks. They ask, is this activity helping me make more money? Is this a distraction or a productive action? If something isn't helping you grow financially, eliminate it. 4. Taking care of health and energy. Money is useless if you don't have the energy to enjoy it. Wealthy people exercise, eat healthy, and sleep well, because they know success requires high energy and focus. 5. Networking and building relationships. Your network determines your net worth. Rich people surround themselves with successful, motivated individuals. Start attending events, masterminds, and online communities where you can meet like-minded people. The more value you bring to your network, the more opportunities you'll get. Overcoming mental barriers to wealth. Many people want to be rich, but their own thoughts hold them back. Here are the 3 biggest mental blocks that stop people from making money and how to overcome them. 1. Money is evil. Mindset. Some people grow up believing that rich people are greedy or dishonest. Money is just a tool. It's not good or bad. It depends on how you use it. If you think money is evil, you'll subconsciously push it away. Instead, see money as a way to create freedom, impact, and opportunities. 2. Fear of taking risks. Most people stay broke because they're afraid to fail. Reality: failure is part of success. Every millionaire has failed many times before making it. The difference? They learned from failure and kept going. Start seeing failure as feedback, not a stop sign. 3. I'm not good enough. Mentality. Many people believe they're not smart enough or talented enough to be rich. Reality: skills can be learned. Success is not about where you start. It's about how much you're willing to learn, adapt, and take action. The richest people in the world were once beginners, just like you. Real-life success stories. Still not convinced? Let's look at real people who went from nothing to financial success. Elon Musk started multiple failed businesses before Tesla and SpaceX succeeded. Jeff Bezos built Amazon from a small online bookstore into a trillion-dollar company. Oprah Winfrey overcame poverty and rejection to become one of the richest women in the world. Jack Ma was rejected from multiple jobs, including KFC, before creating Alibaba. What do they all have in common? They thought big and never gave up. They took risks and kept learning. They created value and built businesses that solved problems. Their success is proof that anyone, including you, can achieve financial freedom with the right mindset and strategy. Final words. Your future starts now. Now you have everything you need: the mindset of wealth, the strategies to make money, the habits of successful people, the courage to overcome mental blocks, the real-life proof that it's possible. But here's the truth: knowledge without action is useless. If you truly want to make more money, you have to take the first step today. So here's your challenge. Comment below and tell me, what is the one thing you will start doing today to improve your financial future? If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in the next video, I'll reveal even more secrets to building wealth. Your future is in your hands. It's time to take action. See you in the next video.